Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And here is a new Arabic reading tool for children. It has plenty of exercises for children to do. As you can see, as I quickly swivel through the pages of applications, so each icon is an application. And just let's go back to the very beginning, and I'm going to be taking you through a tour of this application. So the first element of it is learning letters with vowels.
The name of this letter is
Let me put the volume up a little bit.
Can I hear you say that? Very good. Now let's add one of the vowels from above. A, E, or U.
Okay, so
D plus E equals D. D plus A equals da. D plus U equals do.
So that's the first element or the first part of the book. The second part is tracing, where you interactively, you can color in the letter, and it's telling you to build the letter E, for example. So I'll color this up. No, that's wrong. Maybe this one. And yes, so that's the second part, and it has all the vowels, so a, e, u, ba, bu, ba, bi, bu, and so forth. It has drag and drop element to it, so there we go. So I need to build thu, so I'll give it a try. No, no. So yep, it's all sort of self-explanatory. It allows children to become independent learners, and so forth. So that's the next part, and the next part is a interactive memory game for children. So I need to find the matching pairs. Oh no, yes, and yes. So it's got a timer. It times, and then you can sort of revise the three sounds of the letters with the vowels. And then you have a jigsaw as well. So this allows children to sort of more focus on learning and recognizing vowels, and in a sort of fun, interactive way. There, where would this go? Maybe here. What about this one there? Yep, I'm doing well so far. So it's really fun. Children have really taken great benefit from this. They've enjoyed all the games, all the interactivity. You build the letter with the vowel, and this is quite unique. There aren't, to be honest with you, any applications that are this detailed and thorough with the concepts. Now this is slightly dysfunctional, unfortunately, but however, I am working on this, but it does work to a degree, and I'll tell you where. So this is not working, so I just have to sort of click through until the letters appear here. So it's still an enjoyable game up until a point where I'll tell you, so this is not functioning, and then once the letters merge here, there we go. So akala. Now this is where it gets all fun. They have to remember the order of the letter. So was it this one first one? Nope. Was it this one? No. So now it's functioning. Oh yes, so this one is the right one. What was the second one? Was it this one? No, it was that one, and then that one. And then they can sort of see the letters and add vowels to it as well. So was it nope? Was it ku? Nope. Was it ka? Naam. So ka, and then la. So ka la. Okay, and then they can merge, so you can sort of test them on whether they'll understand whether letters will join or conjoin together. So will join with ka? Nope. Or will ka join with la? And then they can sort of visualize how letters are formed. And this is a very, very unique aspect to the book. It almost quadruples the pace of the learning of a child. Yes, and so it merges, as you can see, and you can do this multiple times. You can, keep on revising and so forth. Let's move on to the next aspect. Now this is moving on to more Arabic reading with vocabulary. So for example, I need to place the correct letter in the correct position, so that's a na, and then they have to try to guess what this image is. Is it oh, nope. So let me try this one. Na'am. So na mi ru, namiru, and then they can sort of discover what this word is, namiru, and you click on it. You can see the individual letters, and if you want to join them again, you just start over again. Namiru. So that's one, and this is really, really useful for children. Alhamdulillah, it has really excelled my children's Arabic vocabulary, and their reading ability. So they really are fascinated by this aspect of learning, where it's all interactive. They're constantly hands-on, and they just sometimes, unfortunately, they just don't want to get their hands off this wonderful product that alhamdulillah rabbil alameen bi'idhnillahi ta'ala that I've been able to develop. So Insha'allah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or this tour of my book. And if you're interested in purchasing it, interested in sort of expanding your horizons for your institution, where you want to create inculcate interactive learning in your learning syllabus, this is great for independent learning as well. So this is something that a lot of UK state schools are now pushing towards, where children learn and become independent learners, and they are essentially, they're not constantly spoon-fed by the teacher. So this is, as you can see, it's fun, it's all interactive, and alhamdulillah, this is only my first book. Oh, sorry, actually, I tell a lie. I've got an alphabet book that's very, very basic. This is the vowel book, but for the vowel book and for the reading rules, inshallah, there will be 5 different applications that will be coming out over the next year, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.